Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Dr. Majid. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Any neurological manifestation is the stroke. Stroke is derived from the word strike, which strikes like the lightning. The acronym which is used to remember the symptom of the stroke is the FAST, F-A-S-T, FAST. F stands for the drooping of the face. A stands for the drifting of the arms. S stands for the slurred speech or problem in the speech. And T stands for the time. Time is the most important thing. Whenever you experience such of the symptom, such it may be due to numbness in the part of the body, weakness in one part of the body, imbalance of the body, or problem in the vision, or slurred speech, or there may be the vertigo or lack of the balance. Sometimes there may be the severe headache. You must immediately rush to the hospital because the time is the important. Time is the brain. Brain is the most important organ and time is a very important thing. Whenever someone feels such symptom, he must rush to the stroke equipped hospital within 3 hours. Thank you very much.